I will allow you to watch this video to the very end so that you will see how this man is fighting with a giant python. But I want to say something which is very important. There are some communities that you dare not touch python in their community. Yes, I know what I am telling you, because it's like touching python is an abomination, and python in their community respect those people, and those people respect python. So for you to touch a python in that community is an abomination. So this video, you will see as this man is fighting with a giant python. Let's watch.
Holy shit. I'm okay for now, but I won't be in a second. I'm losing this battle, guys. For the first time, I've met one that I can't beat. Can you help me? In a sec, I'm gonna flip him over. I still got head control, but my legs are, and my arm. Watch, ready? I got this. I'm a blue belt in jiu-jitsu, but fuck, this snake's a black belt in the jungle. Ooh, that was a snake. Jesus Christ. That was close as I've been in a long time. You're being wrapped up. Today, I've met my match in snakes. Oh. Look at the head. She is a beast. Oh my God. She's still fighting. So strong. Damn, girl. You are a weapon. Woo! What do you think about that, huh? You think you can solo that one? Fuck, I really didn't make it. Damn, that was fun. But a bigger one than that, I'm fucked. Not even a big snake. For the ones that are out there are shooting.
Some people are taking risky. What if giant python bite this man and inject a poison in him? What if this python destroy this man without him knowing when this python destroys him? Though maybe in their own town or country, touching python is not an abomination, but there are some communities that will never tolerate this. You watching this video, what is your own thoughts concerning this video? I hope you saw how the man fought with this giant snake. What do you have to say? Drop your opinion in the comment section. Let's know what you think. For more videos and updates like this, subscribe to this channel, hit the like button to support this channel, and turn on the bell so that anytime I publish a new video, you will get notification. See you in my next upload, and bye for now.